Hey guys, today I'm back with these Dracula Nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off painting my ring finger and my middle finger with a light blue, and then I applied some liquid latex to my cuticles. And then with the makeup sponge I applied the darkest colour at the top, and then a medium colour in the middle, and the lightest colour at the bottom to create a gradient on my nail, just dabbing that lightly. And then I went in for 2 coats for a good gradient. And then just peeled off the liquid latex before it dried. And then with an acetone and a cleanup brush, I just cleaned up the cuticles. And then with this Born Pretty plate, I just stamped the Dracula in black. And then I filled in his head and his tuxedo in white. And then with that same plate, I just stamped the haunted house in black. And then filled in the windows and the door with white. And I applied some foil glue to my nail. And once the decals were dry, I just stamped them on my nails. Then for my index and pinky nails, I just applied this blue glitter. And then I applied some liquid latex around my cuticles. And then using a makeup sponge, I just applied 2 coats of that glitter polish to it. And once the glitter had congealed in the sponge, I just dabbed it on my nail, so all that was left was glitter. And then I peeled off the liquid latex and applied 1 quick coat of that polish to make it smooth. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And 2 coats of normal top coat to the index and pinky finger, just to create a nice smooth nail for the glitter. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!